Hello, Parrot. Funny running into you here.
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that all you have to say for yourself? I mean, bravo on finding it. That's off to you. That's impressive. It's not an easy place to find. But, we're kind of stuck in my vault now. With me. What are you trying to grab loot? Is that what this is? You're really trying to grab loot right now? Right in front of me? Do you think that's smart, Garrett? How about you go for a swim?
Bye, Clown. See you later, buddy! See you later!